Every day I witness the power of advanced medical imaging technology, from detecting subtle abnormalities to guiding precise treatment plans. MRI scans are a game changer in modern medicine. MRI, so magnetic resonance imaging, is a non-invasive medical imaging technique that uses powerful magnets and radio waves to produce detailed images of the body's internal structures. And did you know that every day I recommend additional MRI scans after conducting ultrasounds, mammograms, or X-rays? Because MRI scans offer unparalleled insight into our health. It's not just about diagnosing issues, it's about early detection and precision. These are the reasons why I have decided to make a significant investment in acquiring cutting-edge technology offered by United Imaging from Shanghai, China. Join me and see the entire process of installing our new MRI machine. From delivery to setup, you will get an inside look how we bring this cutting-edge technology to life. Witness firsthand the dedication and precision involved in ensuring that our MRI system is ready to provide top-notch diagnostic services. It's a wonderful time to be alive.